Hello and welcome to your first lesson on bioenergetics. Let's embark on this scientific journey as we unravel the mysteries of how living organisms harness and utilize energy. By understanding these processes, we gain insight into energy, one of the most fundamental aspects of life itself. Bioenergetics is the branch of biology that studies the flow and transformation of energy, both within and between living organisms and their environment. Bioenergetics encompasses the biochemical processes that cells use to convert nutrients into usable energy, which is vital for all life functions, including growth, reproduction, and the maintenance of cellular activities. The field of bioenergetics has a rich history, tracing back to early 19th century studies on the nature of energy in biological systems. This laid the foundation for the development of the laws of thermodynamics, which describe how energy is conserved and transformed. In the 20th century, there were breakthroughs in biochemistry and molecular biology. One example is the discovery of adenosine triphosphate, often shortened to ATP, by German chemist Carl Lohmann. The use of new technologies to study its reactions, by American scientist Mildred Cohn, established ATP as the energy currency of the cell, thus propelling bioenergetics into the limelight.
I pioneered the use of new technologies to explore enzyme reactions and investigate the role of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, in energy transfer within cells. My research was instrumental in advancing our understanding of energy metabolism and the ways in which cells can harness and utilize energy. These are fundamental aspects of bioenergetics.
Modern bioenergetics integrates molecular techniques and computational models to understand complex energy conversion processes, from cellular respiration to photosynthesis. By learning about bioenergetics, you will acquire a set of skills that are applicable to various real-world scenarios. For example, understanding how cells generate and use energy is crucial in medical fields, especially for diseases such as diabetes and mitochondrial disorders, where the energy metabolism is disrupted. Bioenergetics also plays a pivotal role in developing new treatments and therapies. This is because we need to understand how metabolic pathways work in order to develop drugs that can influence them and treat diseases. In the realm of environmental science, knowledge of bioenergetics can help us to address issues such as climate change. For example, optimizing photosynthesis in plants could improve crop yields and reduce the carbon footprint of the agricultural sector. In biotechnology, harnessing microbial energy conversions is vital for applications that range from waste treatment to biofuel production. An understanding of bioenergetics is fundamental to many parts of biology. For example, bioenergetics links the biochemistry that occurs in the cell with processes that occur in whole animals. This gives us a more cohesive picture of how organisms function. This knowledge is fundamental for our advancement in other areas of biological science, such as genetics, ecology, and immunology. Studying bioenergetics helps us to appreciate the balance and efficiency in nature's energy transformations. It illustrates the powerful interactions that sustain life, whether it's the conversion of sunlight into chemical energy via photosynthesis, or the metabolic pathways that fuel muscle contraction. With a solid grasp of bioenergetics, you're not just learning about energy in biological systems, you're also equipping yourself with the tools to better understand and potentially solve some of the biggest challenges in science and medicine today. So, let's dive into the dynamic world of bioenergetics and uncover the secrets of life's energy transformations together. First, we will investigate how plants harness energy from the sun through the process of photosynthesis. You will learn about the photosynthetic reaction, which is the process by which plants produce glucose, a type of sugar that is used for energy. We will also explore how different factors, such as light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, and temperature can affect the rate of photosynthesis. Additionally, we will discuss the various uses of the glucose that is produced by photosynthesis, including how it is stored and utilised by the plant. Next, we will dive into respiration, the process that all organisms use to convert food into usable energy. We will look at the reactions involved in aerobic respiration, which requires oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, which doesn't. We will also examine how exercise impacts the body and influences the rate of respiration, helping you to understand why your breathing and heart rates increase when you exercise. We will then discuss the concept of metabolism, which involves all of the chemical reactions that occur within an organism in order to maintain life. This includes the synthesis of essential substances, as well as the breakdown of food molecules. You will learn about the various substances that are involved in these reactions and their roles in the body's overall function. By the end of this unit, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the fundamental processes of bioenergetics, setting up a strong foundation for your further studies in biology. Let's dive deeper and uncover the intricate ways in which energy powers the living world.